Greeting honorable judges, we will present our research with the title The Level of Anxiety SMA Kristen Harapan Students in Dealing with Mathematics Test. I'm Dewa Inata Arinda Distatri and my partner
Laura Natasha. We are from SMA Kristen Harapan Denpasar, Bali.
Mathematics was one of the primary learning subjects in Indonesian curriculum. Mathematics is often perceived as abstract and challenging by most students. The paradigm of students considering mathematics as a difficult subject to comprehend can lead to stress for students. Mathematical anxiety is a non-conducive psychological condition experienced by a student, characterized by feeling of fear, dread, discomfort, and tension when dealing with the subject of mathematics. Students experiencing mathematical anxiety tend to avoid the subject and might develop a fear of it. Prolonged mathematical anxiety can have a negative impact on mathematics learning, students' academic performance in mathematics, and students' attitudes toward the subject of mathematics. Richardson and Swin state that mathematical anxiety is the source of several declines in mathematical functioning. Based on the results of the Program for International Student Assessment or PISA test in 2018, Indonesia was ranked 73 out of 80 countries with a score of 379. Based on this background, we conducted a research with the title The Level of Anxiety SMA Kristen Harapan Students in Dealing with a Mathematics Test. Therefore, the purpose of this research is to determine the level of anxiety among students at SMA Kristen Harapan Denpasar when dealing with mathematics tests, so that the research findings can be used as a reference for students coping with anxiety when dealing with mathematics tests.
The research method used in this study was quantitative descriptive research. The data collection techniques used in this research were literature review and questionnaire. It was distributed to 12 grade science and social science students at SMA Kristen Harapan Denpasar. There were a total of 56 respondents participated for this research. Based on the result of the research by distributing questionnaire, it was found that the average level of anxiety SMA Kristen Harapan Denpasar students when dealing mathematics tests is 42.04, indicating a high level of anxiety. The anxiety level of the sample when dealing with math tests is often presented as follows. In the total out of 56 respondents, the results showed that the level of anxiety were in various categories that are very high, moderate, and low. Based on the results of descriptive statistics obtained, 43% at moderate level, 32% at high level, 20% at very high level, and 5% at a low level of anxiety. According to Richardson and Swin, mathematical anxiety is a feeling of tension and apprehension that simultaneously affects students when solving mathematical problems in everyday life and academics. Typically, students who experience mathematical anxiety tend to avoid situations in which they are required to work on mathematics. Supported by the research of Olanian and Medita Salman, as stated in Aditya, one of factors causing mathematical anxiety is the complexity of mathematics. Mathematical anxiety can be resolved or overcome through coping with stress. Sarson Johan, as mentioned in Hendra, defines stress coping as a way to deal with stress that affects how individuals identify and solve problems. One of the coping methods is emotion-focused coping. According to Lazarus, also said in Hendra, emotion-focused coping is an effort made to seek comfort and reduce the perceived pressure, directed at changing factors within oneself in how they view or interpret environmental situations, which require adaptation or internal changes. Emotion-focused coping is subsequently used to redirect the anxiety experienced by students when dealing with mathematics tests.
Based on the research result, it can be concluded that students at SMA Kristen Harapan Denpasar have an average score of 42.04, which indicates a high level of anxiety. The overall data indicates that 5% of students are at a low level, 43% of students are at a moderate level, 32% of students are at a high level, and 20% of students are at a very high level of anxiety. Based on these anxiety levels, the recommended coping strategy is emotion-focused coping. This will be used to redirect the anxiety experienced by students when dealing with mathematics tests.
That's all our presentation. Thank you.